push up and turn to remove bull. There's a tang on this side and this side that we have to pull this back and this back to remove bull. Pulling tang back, pulling the tang back, pushing bull up, removes. Sediment is getting caught inside of this little piece that goes up when you turn this knob. By turning this knob farther, it unscrews it to the point where you can now push this piece down and out. This allows us to clean the bottom of this bowl, cleaning here at the bottom of this where sediment is getting and keeping the bowl from sealing. Once it is cleaned, you get this back in here, push it down, push this down. You may have to rotate it a little bit to get it to line up. It now seals again. Bowl will no longer leak. Now you take bowl and housing, line up these little arrows with this, push back together. Check that this O-ring here is in good condition all the way around, so this area here will also not leak. Take bowl, put back up in this manner, push up, turn, we'll lock bowl back in place.